Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on decimals and powers of 10 part 2. Decimals are used on many occasions in the real world. The following are just a few examples. $5.65, that's an example of money. 1.78 metres, that's an example of distance or length. And 7.65 litres is an example of capacity. Any number expressed as a decimal can be divided by different powers of 10. The rules in the yellow box to the right are a very useful guide on how to divide decimals by powers of 10. When dividing a decimal number by 10, move the decimal point one place to the left. When dividing a decimal number by 100, move the decimal point two places to the left. When dividing a decimal number by 1000, move the decimal point three places to the left, etc. Let's look at some examples. Divide each of the following decimals by the given power of 10. So we have 56.7 divided by 10, that's 10 to the power of 1. So we move the decimal point one place to the left, so it's 5.67. 495.2 divided by 100, that's 10 squared, so we move the decimal point two places to the left to get that answer. When we divide this number by 1000, that's 10 to the power of 3, so we move the decimal point three places to the left. The decimal point is here originally, so we go 1, 2, 3, so it's 48.762. 56 divided by 10 squared, move the decimal point two places to the left, and that's the answer. 65.41 divided by 10 to the power of 3, move the decimal point three places to the left, which gives us that answer there. Remember, just put whatever zeros you need to be able to move the decimal point to the left. 54.3 divided by 10 to the power of 4, move the decimal point four places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 67 divided by 10 to the power of 3, move it three places to the left. 1, 2, 3. And 8000.7 divided by 10 squared, move it two places to the left. 1, 2. So it's 80.007. Divide by the appropriate powers of 10 to make the following conversions. Change 34 millimetres to centimetres. There are 10 millimetres in 1 centimetre, so 34 millimetres will be 34 divided by 10 centimetres, which is 3.4 centimetres. Change 365 centimetres to metres. There are 100 centimetres in 1 metre, so 365 centimetres equals 365 divided by 100 metres, which is 3.65 metres. Change 4,785 metres to kilometres. There are 1,000 metres in 1 kilometre, so 4,785 metres equals 4,785 divided by 1,000 kilometres, and that's 4.785 kilometres. Change 67,540 square metres to hectares. There are 10,000 square metres in 1 hectare, so 67,540 square metres is 67,540 divided by 10,000 hectares. That means we move the decimal point four places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that gives us 6.754 hectares. So this video has given us a number of examples, and we've seen how to divide various decimals by different powers of 10.